Hi, welcome back to my channel. This is your girl Light Brown and I'm cooking up another look in the kitchen. Today I have on pink eyebrows because I'm going to later on put on a pink wig. So I just wanted to do the eyeshadow look, and I'm working out in a Morphe palette. I think it's the Gems palette, but I'm gonna be using pink. I'm gonna be using I'm gonna use this color and this color. Well, I'm not gonna be using pink. I chose these two colors because I want to make sure I get some depth in my eyes, and the pink color wouldn't do that. So I chose this color. It's called Super Swanky, and this one is like a plum color. So I just wanted to give it some depth. And once you get to see what the wig looks like with the hair, and I'm gonna be using these two glitters too. You'll see why I use those two colors. I'm gonna be using these two glitters. I picked these up from the hair store to put on my eyes. So yeah, let's get into this look. I'm gonna start off by, let me see if I can find my brush. Okay, I'm using this Morphe brush. It's M330 crease brush. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna mix these two colors together. I'm gonna mix this color and this color together. So I'm gonna go into that, into this. Okay, so now what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna do a cut crease. And I'm gonna use those two glitters. So I'm gonna, let's see. I'm gonna start off with a little dot right here, and then I'm gonna look up. Let me try it again. Okay, I had to look up to see where I had to cut the crease, and so I'm gonna put it where the dot landed. I'm just gonna cover that up. And I'm gonna use these two glitters, and I'm gonna put them on. I'm using a paper plate because I don't have a glass to put it on. But anyway, you can put it on a glass, or you can put it on a paper plate or something like that. I just don't want to show you what I'm putting, the paper plate, because it's not that pretty. But I'm gonna invest in getting a glass to put my glitter and stuff on. And this is my first time ever really working with loose glitter on my eyes in years. Okay, I have this little flat brush right here, and I'm gonna mix those two colors together, the light pink and it looks more like a mauve, but like a berry color pink. I'm just gonna put it on that cut crease. You have to be really careful with glitter because it gets everywhere. It's a lot of fallout. Okay, so what I'm going to do is go back into that plum color and that brown color, the first colors I used to blend together. And I'm just going to blend the glitter and that plum color together. Okay, so I'm going to take that plum color and go on my lower lash line. Just kind of smoke that out just a little bit. Okay. Now what I have to do is, since I have, it didn't do too much fallout. I don't have too much fallout with the glitter. I'm surprised because normally glitter just gets everywhere. But if you ever have problems with glitter, you just take some duct tape and you just put on those little points where the glitter is, like on your eyes, on your face. And that's pretty much it. And then you cut that piece off. Okay, so I'm going to put the mascara on, and this is Falsies by Maybelline, my favorite eyelash mascara. Let me get my mirror. I hardly ever put my mascara on before I put my lashes on, but in this case, I got so much glitter on these eyelashes, I gotta kind of, you know, get that glitter off. Okay, so the lashes I'm using are called Victoria. They're Victoria by VLT Beauty. I got these lash holders. I'm gonna try using the lash holder this time today. I never do, but I'm gonna try. Let's see if I got it on right. Nope, I can't use these lash holders. I'm gonna use my fingers. Okay, so today I'm using the, NYX HYDRA Touch primer. And I'm pretty much using the same products. I just wanted to show you that primer, and I'm going to use a MAC Studio Fix foundation. I don't know why I can't think of what I'm going to say today, but that's okay. Just having a weird day, not being able to say my words or whatever. But anyway, I'm going to use this Studio Fix for the foundation today. Okay, so now I'm going to use my Neutrogena, what is it? What am I using? Oh my gosh, this is a concealer. Okay, Man, I don't understand what's going on with me not being able to think about or know what I'm using. Strange day, strange day. I wet this sponge just a little bit more. I use my rose water to do that. Okay, so I'm gonna use a powder contour today, not a cream one. And this is a Sephora one. I'm going into the shade right here. I'm going into this middle shade right here. I'm going to contour my nose. Blend that out with a little brush. Okay, and so now I'm gonna need my highlighter. I'm using the Becca highlighter. Is that done right? Yeah, Becca highlighter. The letters are wearing off. But it's still good. It's in opal in the shade. Actually, let me do something. I forgot to do something. I forgot to put on the blush first. So I'm gonna put the blush on first. And I'll get back to that. I'm gonna use this pink right here. Since I am wearing pink today, let me try this one up here. This one might do. Okay, now I gotta choose a lip color. Okay, so I got this rose hip, and then I'm gonna ombre it. But I'm gonna line my lips with this brown first. I think I might leave it this color right here. Might not ombre it. because I like the way this looks. I'll see. I got to put the hair on first. Now I'll see what that looks like. Okay, let me spray my face with this Morphe continuous spray. Okay, so this completes my look. Thank you for watching my channel, and you have a great day. I know this is pink. You can follow me on Instagram as Cooking Up a Look and Facebook as Cooking Up a Look. And again, you have a great day.